Hello and welcome. So, what are we doing today? So, today we are going to summarize our previous video. The previous video was a long one where we had to take it slow, bit by bit. But now in this video, we are going to summarize everything that we did in a fast-paced environment. So, what we are going to do here, we are going to summarize exactly what we did in a fast-paced environment, and the code will be in the link in the description below of what we did. So previously, on our previous video, we took on a challenge from Frontend Mentor, which was to create a QR code component, which is this one that we created. So we downloaded the Figma files, then we exported them into our VS Code. In there, like I said before, I am going to be using Vite with HTML and Tailwind. So we went to the Vite, we installed our Vite here with vanilla. That's what we installed. Then we went on to install our CSS, which is with this command here. Then we create our environment, we create our Vite config, and we set it up here. From there, we went on to extract it into the VS Code, which is this HTML. So this is the Vite configuration that we did. We just added a plugin for the Tailwind CSS. Then we do have here the index file that we have, and we just make a few adjustments here. We did the cleanup. We followed the style guide which they gave us here. That's the style guide which they gave us that we followed. From there, we went on to our HTML. I gave these classes here for the background. Then I created a main component. I tried to go through to make sure that we have all the semantic CSS that we're following. Then we link our QR code image here. Then we put this improve our head one, which is improve your front end skills by building projects. Then we also added a paragraph here. Then we left the footer as it is. We just extracted it out of the main component. Then what we did is we come here, we commit, so we can just generate what we did here. So we commit these challenges to the GitHub. Then we just commit here. Then from there we just had to go to our GitHub, which is this one here that we did, and we can even see the commit we just did now. Let's see where it is. Oh, okay, we did it in this QR code component. That's where we did our commit, which is this one here just now. So which means now I can create a pull request. Then I can compare and create a pull request, this is what we did. I'm just going to copy it. We paste it here. We create a pull request. Then we have to merge it into the master branch, which is the one that we've deployed. We'll go there. So this, what I'm doing now, creating a pull request and merging into the master branch, it will trigger a deploy in our Netlify, because we hosted it here in Netlify. This is where we hosted our QR code component. So I'm just waiting here until it's done. Let's see. No, this could repeat, no problem there. Then we just merge the request that we did. Now that it's merged, we just have to go to where we hosted it, and it should trigger the deploy here. Let's see. All right, let's see what to do. Yes, it just triggered this one here. That's the deploy, which is still busy and complete. Yes, looks like it's done. Let's go back and see. This one, I'm not sure if it's published yet, but yeah. Then now we can just check here the QR code that we deployed, which is this one. This is the QR code, the challenge that we did. So now that it's hosted, all we have to do is to come here to the Frontend Mentor. Then we can generate the screenshot of what we did. So it will generate, then there we are. This is what we did. So what actually happens, you start from here, submit solution. Okay, then submit solution here. Then you put the name. Then you copy your GitHub component, GitHub repository, which is here. There we go. We just copy this QR code, this GitHub. That's what we copy. We come to Frontend Mentor. Here we paste it here. Then we copy the site, the URL, which is, we come here. We copy the QR code website, which is this one. You just copy it. Then you come here. You paste live URL. You paste it here. Then you scroll down, you put the notes that you want to put, what thing that you need. Then you update your solution that will be submitting. Then you generate a QR code. That's it. Then you can just compare what was done and what we did. It's a little bit different, but yeah, then it goes to the peer review, which they will actually be reviewing your work. Then you complete the challenge. Then you go to the next one. That's it, and that's all in short. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and be waiting for the next episode. Thank you.